Hi Bon everyone. Today it's gonna be a different video because I'm not gonna do any unboxing, but I'm gonna take out the glasses I just unboxed on my previous video, the AI Rokid Glasses Style version, and I wanna try out like how its features and whether it's usable and all. So it's gonna be a new experience for me as well. So without any delay, let's get on this video and see the features and function of these glasses. First, you need to install the Rokid app in your phone to use these glasses functionalities. But even without the app, you can use it. But if you were to take photos and all, you have to actually connect to your phone. So it's better you install the app. So there are like two versions. One is the Chinese mainland version, and the other one is the global version. You can install either one of them, but no problem. But only issue I found out, there are some certain functionalities I can't use, like the Alipay payment, because the local version is keep giving me this error like saying install the Alipay version. I mean Alipay, I have to install it, but I already installed the Alipay, but still it's showing me this error. So I believe that there must be differences between the local version and the the local as in the Chinese version and the global version, the English version. So I installed the global version through Google Play because my phone is Android. So to most of the functions and all, I have to use the app. And you can take the photos, but if you want to access the photos and videos, you have to actually connect to the app. So this is my actual process I went through installing the Rokid app. Soon after I got some free time, I went outside for a park and try out those functions. It was really good, and all the battery especially, I could have run this for like 4 hours, so I believe it can be run around 8 hours. So it also gonna be depend on like how much functionalities you're gonna use. Like for example, the photos and the videos gonna take like drain more battery. So in my case, I was taking photos and also battery, so it still had some battery left even after 4 hours. So I think it's really good glasses for use for a long time. As I was trying out the camera of the glasses, I found out the videos and photos are like really good quality. It's around 2K. The thing is, like, you don't have the landscape or portrait functionality that you can switch between. Maybe I didn't found it, but I was taking the photos on the portrait size, and these are the photos I took and the videos. So the quality, as you can see, so as for AI glasses, I think it's really convenient. As for the AI model, like I can ask like what's in front of me and can you help me to translate it. So there are like voice commands, I can use it directly, and from the phone I can adjust it. So I was like trying out, like, because in the location there most of the stuff are like in English, so I just found out some places that have only Chinese and they can help me to translate it. So the AI model itself helped me to like take the photo. If I ask like, okay, what's in front of me, and then it's gonna take a photo and then it's gonna translate and tell me like what's in there. This is the end of my review video, and I hope everyone get to experience these glasses functionalities and the usable case. So I hope to do more videos in the future, maybe more unboxing and more reviews. So thanks for watching my videos and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can write it on the comment section. And I'll see you on my future videos. Bye.